Hello, and welcome to the Monoprice Test Lab. My name is Dimitri, and today we'll be unboxing the new Monoprice Cadet. Let's go ahead and open up the package and lay out all of our components to ensure that we have all of the necessary items. If any parts are missing, please contact our product support team for further assistance. Inside the package, we have a set of 4 hex wrenches, Phillips screwdriver, M6 nozzle, micro SD card with SD card reader, USB cable, AC power adapter and power cord, glue stick, sample filament, quick start guide, and lastly, the thank you card. The MP Cadet comes with its own slicing software, WeBuilder, but it is possible to go ahead and use Cura. A QR code link for the full manual will be found on the removable sticker on the printer itself and inside the quick start guide. The Cadet features auto bed leveling with an inductive sensor. It also has a removable and flexible magnetic build sheet at a size of 100 by 105 by 100, making it a small footprint and great for a desk or office. There's also an easy-to-use quick-release nozzle assembly, making it ideal for schools and home use. You will need to go ahead and remove the foam block inserts from in front of the printer. In the rear, you will find 2 more foam blocks as well. While in the rear of the printer, rotate the Z-axis coupler to raise the extruder assembly and remove the last 2 blocks from underneath the bed, keeping everything safe. Looking through the front opening of the printer, you will find the PTFE tube connected to the bowden on top of the extruder assembly, but not connected on the other end. Push the tube up and through the top of the printer's opening to connect the PTFE tube to the bowden on the side of the printer for your filament feed. Now, we should go ahead and power on the Cadet. You will be greeted with the setup wizard. At this point, it is suggested to follow the steps on the screen, but you can skip the steps by pressing the control knob in to quit. At this point, we're going to go ahead and set up the auto leveling feature. To do this, press the control knob in to access the menu and select Prepare. Scroll down to the option Level Bed and press the control knob in to select. The printer will home the axes and begin lowering down to the bed assembly. Once the printer has probed all points on the bed, you will now set the Z-axis offset. Using the control knob, go back to the previous menu and select Control. Scroll down and click the option Z-axis offset. The Cadet will then set the axes to home and lower down to the printing height. It will then probe the bed once more and center on the build sheet. Using a piece of A4 paper, slide it between the nozzle and the build surface. Use the control knob to set the proper height for the extruder assembly to print. Press the control knob in and you are ready to print. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your new MP Cadet 3D printer. Enjoy your first mission to discovery. I'm Dimitri with Monoprice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out monoprice.com for all your 3D printing products and support.
Hi there, Ben Malouf here to introduce the ulzbot Mini 2 3D printer. Our engineering teams have been hard at work here in Colorado, and I'm excited to go over all the upgrades that make the ulzbot Mini 2 our best printing, easiest to use, and most reliable 3D printer ever. Now, if you're already a fan of the ulzbot Mini, you'll be happy to know that everything you love is still here. Legendary ulzbot versatility, reliability, and ease of use, the rugged powder-coated aluminum frame, and of course the carry handle. But while it may look very similar on first glance, there's a ton of new innovation to talk about here, so let's get into the features. The first obvious feature change is the LCD screen. This means the ulzbot Mini 2 is tetherless out of the box with no need to be connected to a computer to operate the machine. Just put your G-code onto the included SD card, pop it in the printer, and select your file from the LCD menu. Next up, let's talk about the re-engineered and innovative belt drive Z-axis. The benefits? First of all, speed, which really makes a difference when starting a new print or making manual axis adjustments. But the big benefit of the belt drive is in print quality. No lead screws, no potential for Z-banding. The next 2 obvious changes are the tool head and the print bed. The Mini 2's Aero Extruder V2 tool head is powered by a genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder and hot end, and features a powerful part cooling fan with 4-way ducting. This gives you acclaimed E3D hot end quality and extrusion accuracy, and allows you to print both rigid materials and flexibles up to 290 degrees Celsius. The heated bed is capable to 120 degrees Celsius and features a reversible borosilicate glass and PEI print surface, which simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to experiment with different substrates. Another thing you may have noticed is the noise, or lack thereof. Thanks to the Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper drivers on the INC Retro control board, the Mini 2's motors run much quieter than on any printer we've ever built before, which makes it a great addition to classrooms, libraries, and offices. Like all ulzbot 3D printers, the Mini 2 is built here in Loveland, Colorado, and comes with a 1-year warranty and our renowned technical support. Extended warranties are also available. Just ask a ulzbot sales associate for details. We're extremely proud of the ulzbot Mini 2, and we know it'll make a valuable addition to your shop, office, or classroom.
We took the world's best-selling SLA 3D printer and made it even better. Introducing the Form 2. Powered by a precision optical engine, the Form 2 creates laser-sharp prints with beautiful detail. With a larger build volume and smarter technology, the Form 2 is designed for performance. Now you can create perfect prototypes right on your desktop. We've redesigned the way we print. A new peel mechanism, a wiper, and a heated resin tank work together so you can print parts not possible on other machines. An integrated resin system adds materials automatically. With wireless connectivity, sending prints to your machine is simple. The Form 2 is built for collaboration. You can monitor progress, receive notifications, or easily share your printer with your team. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability. The Form 2, the most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.
I'm Bree Pettis of Makerbot, and I've got huge news. We've unleashed the Makerbot Replicator Z18 3D printer. It's massive, it's powerful. It'll change the way you think about 3D printing. The Makerbot Replicator Z18 has a massive build volume of 12 by 12 by 18 inches tall. It brings industrial strength manufacturing power into your office right on your desktop. What used to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars is now affordable with the best price to performance ratio in its category. For the engineers, for the designers, for those who dream big, we made the Makerbot Replicator Z18 for you. You now have the power to make huge models and prototypes with the Makerbot Replicator Z18's enclosed and heated build chamber. The Makerbot Replicator Z18 has all the great Makerbot 5th generation technology. The Makerbot Smart Extruder will keep you on track, and when you run out of filament, it has filament detection, so it'll send you a message, feed me. It's got an onboard camera so you can monitor your prints and take great pictures and distribute them across your social networks. This is powerful Makerbot 5th generation technology. We've supersized the build volume of the Makerbot Replicator Z18 so that you can supercharge your digital production workflow. It's never been easier to get more done, to iterate more, to innovate faster, harder, better, and stronger. We can't wait to see what you make.
Introducing the latest addition to our S line of 3D printers. This is the new Ultimaker S3, a dual extrusion machine that delivers massive performance in an efficiently small footprint. Its reinforced feeder empowers you to create parts and models effortlessly with almost any filament, including glass and carbon fiber composites. Advanced active leveling, a stiffer build plate, and precision drivers ensure high-quality results with every print. And our award-winning touchscreen interface makes setup, navigation, and maintenance quick and easy. These all work together seamlessly to achieve the reliability and accuracy you need from a desktop 3D printer. Powerful and easy to use, the Ultimaker S3 is the most cost-effective way for disruptive businesses to adopt in-house 3D printing.